Hi foodie babes, today I am going to be making a delicious cucumber and avocado soup. So I have some fresh mint leaves. I have some fresh dill. I have some fresh scallions. I have some vinegar. And I have some yogurt. And I have some chicken stock. Now I won't be using all this chicken stock. I'm gonna just kind of eyeball it and see how I want the consistency to be. But for the most part, you are welcome to use vegetable stock. I personally like and prefer chicken stock in everything. Salt and pepper, and a little Chef Paul Padon. I have fresh lemon, avocado, and depending on the consistency, today I may use 2, but for now we're gonna stick with 1. And then I have 2 whole cucumbers, and these are the English ones, so you guys are welcome to use the regular cucumbers that you can get from your grocer. All right, so you guys wanna know what inspired me to make cucumber soup? I'm gonna tell you. I actually was on a cruise with my husband and some friends, and we were all sitting around at dinner. I don't know if you guys have ever gone on a cruise before, but you have chefs from all around the world, and they get on there and they, you know, make their specialties. And so I had never had cucumber soup. I was like, oh my God, what is this? It was a cold, chilled cucumber soup, and I absolutely loved it. So every night we were there that they were serving cucumber soup, I had to have a bowl. It was just that delicious. So I'm going to teach you all how to make some fresh cucumber soup. So what you're going to do is cut up 2 whole cucumbers, and you're going to put those inside the blender. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add these. Now I call this my Cadillac. It is a Ninja because this thing does wonders. I love my Ninja. It was actually a gift from my son for Christmas, so I love to use it. It does everything. It makes soup, hot soup. It makes ice cream. I mean, this thing is a bad boy, so you guys will love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add in all my cucumbers. And then I'm going to be adding in my avocado. Now my avocado is showing a little brown, and I want it to be that color only because I want it to be soft. Of course, the riper it is, the softer it is, but when you have a fresh one, it's a little bit more firm. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here like that. Scrape all that out. Avocado will make for a nice blend with the cucumbers. Next, what I'm going to do is I'll be adding a little bit of chicken stock. And we just want to be able to saturate that enough just so it'll get wet. Then I'm going to add my yogurt. This is really, really easy to make. It makes for a nice, refreshing soup for the summertime, especially when you just want something cold and different. I'm gonna put in some mint leaves. And I'm going to chop up a few little pieces of dill. Well, I'm going to give it some salt. I'm going to put a little pepper in here and some sprinkle of my Magic Chef. I'm going to go ahead and just squeeze some fresh lemon juice. That juice in there. It smells good already. Next, I'm going to add a few scallions. Then I'm just going to kind of make sure If you have a blender, make sure your blender is strong, because I actually put the whole cucumber peel in there. So you want to make sure that it doesn't tear your blender up. So just kind of take your spatula, make sure that the juices are going down evenly. So when you start your blender, it won't tear the motor up. I think that looks pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and get this pulsated. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and blend our soup. Turn it off for a second, and we're going to check the consistency to see how it is. That's pretty good. And your consistency should be not too thick and not too thin. Alright guys, so after it's well blended, you want to add a ½ cup of sugar, and then you want to add about a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. So what you want to do is chill this for about an hour, and you're going to have a delicious soup. So we'll come back in the end and let you know how it tastes. Alright guys, so here you have it. Hey Charli Cooking Channel just made her delicious cucumber avocado soup, and I am going in. That's delicious. It's very light. It's very fluffy. It has hints of cucumber and very mild avocado. This makes for a delicious summertime low-fat calorie burner soup. If you're trying to lose weight and you just want something like light before or around dinner or lunchtime, try my delicious cucumber avocado soup. You won't go wrong.